Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about Eventbrite alternatives. Many people know Eventbrite. It is one of the most popular tools for selling tickets online. But nowadays, there are also other good choices. Two of them are TicketMaster and the TicketBud. So in this video, we will compare between TicketMaster and TicketBud and see which one can be a good alternative to Eventbrite. But before we start, let me remind you, in the description of the video, I put links where you can check the latest details, updated prices and special deals for these tools. If you plan to use TicketMaster or TicketBud, make sure to check the description after watching this video. Now let's start with TicketMaster. TicketMaster is one of the biggest names in the ticket world. If you go to concerts, sports, events or festivals, you probably already know about TicketMaster. It has a very large network, which means if you use TicketMaster to sell tickets, many people can find your event. It also has a secure system for payments and fraud protection, so buyers feel safe. The platform also has mobile ticket scanning and strong reporting tools. But one thing to note or remember, TicketMaster is often more expensive and it is usually used for larger events. Now let's talk about the TicketBud. TicketBud is smaller compared to TicketMaster, but it is very flexible. Many small or medium events use TicketBud because it is simple to set up. So you can create an event page, sell tickets and track sales, and it's very fast. TicketBud also gives you control over your money, so you can get paid daily instead of waiting until the event ends. So this is very good for small event organizers. The fees are usually lower than TicketMaster and the system is very beginner friendly. So which one is better about Eventbrite alternative? If you are running a big event like a concert or festival, then TicketMaster is the best option for you, and it is stronger because it has big audience and advanced tools. But if you are doing smaller events, community events, workshop or even fundraisers, TicketBud is cheaper, easier and gives you faster payout. So in short, TicketMaster and TicketBud can be the good alternatives of Eventbrite, but it depends on your event size and your budget. So if you found this video helpful, so that was the full comparison. Don't forget to check the description for the latest information and best offer. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.